In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Team Workspace. Sharing your work usually requires you to build the application, package it, and upload it somewhere accessible to your team. This can be repetitive and inefficient. Toro's Team Workspace provides a simpler, more efficient way of sharing applications and extensions. A Team Workspace is meant to be a repository where team members can download and upload artifacts such as scripts, templates, and packages. Artifacts can be public or private. A public artifact is an artifact that is accessible to everyone, even users outside the team. Meanwhile, a private artifact is an artifact visible to only team members. This video will cover only the latter. Team members can be added to an organization by an organization administrator. The process is fairly simple. First, access the team members page of the Toro Marketplace. Next, click Add Member. Third, provide details about the new member. And lastly, click Submit. The added user will then receive an invitation from the email address provided in the form earlier. It will contain a link, which will let them set up their account. To upload a package, right-click the package, hover over Export, then select Upload to Team Workspace. A wizard will appear to help you with the uploading process. You can either click Next to configure the artifact details, or Finish to upload it as it is. A prompt will then show up indicating the status of the upload. Soon, the uploaded package will be visible in the Team Workspace. Other team members can download it by opening the Team Workspace panel, selecting the package to download, and then clicking Install. Afterwards, the package will be ready for use. And that concludes our video on Team Workspaces.